Desayuno Mexican, it becomes like an American now. Look at this. And this is a real Mexican. Tamales, flat tamales, right?
And it's more Mexican than this.
Yes! And this is the real thing.
What is?
That's the one I want. Yes. That's a real Mexican, right? Yes. Okay. It's okay. This is called a chilaquiles. So we got mole, no, beans, black beans,
Eggs with
salsa, and this is cheese. No.
eggs with chili.
Oh, eggs with chili, Mexican style eggs preparation, right? And that's cream and cheese, queso. And what do you call this? Suco verde? Suco verde. Jugo verde.
Green juice.
Green juice. Nopal, pineapple, celery, and orange juice. It's absolutely wonderful. Handmade. Queso Oaxaca? Oh, okay. Wow. I'm having a cheese tortilla, no? Tortilla?
Sí.
Tortilla.
Me está grabando. Pues dígame para que sí hable yo. Me está grabando, pues dígame para que yo hable.
Thank you. There you go, folks. And lovely. That's fresh there. Marvelous.
Así como ese 35. Lechuga, queso rallado, salsa.
Nada.
Nada?
Solo.
Para comer aquí, para llevar.
Come on aquí.
Comer aquí.
See. What the locals eat. A bit of red chili. And here's the two lovely ladies who made my little cheese quesadillas, right? You can't eat with the mask on, right? Here we go. I like to get the mask down first and then having to eat. Wow. A little bit of meat. Queso.
Cebollita.
Sí, un poco. Poquito.
Papitas.
No, gracias. There we go. It's beautiful, gentlemen. Lovely. Gracias. Gracias. That's my little. We got a little avocado salad to go with it on top. With all the little ingredients. Using the old ways of doing things.